so much for joining us again for yet another awesome DIY video here at Tiffany's Creations. We love doing DIYs, right, Tiff?
Yeah.
We've been doing some cool stuff, and we got a lot of cool stuff planned. So I apologize for it taking us so long to get back to doing another video for Halloween, but my mother passed 2 days ago, and we were taking care of her, and just got a lot of things to do, but we wanted to get this in for you guys, and thank you for joining us. And my mom's here with us. You can't see her, but she's here. So what we are making today is a spooky Halloween chandelier that's going to blow your mind. Wait till you see this. And it's so easy. We got the stuff at Dollar Tree. I can't wait till it's finished. I can't wait for you to see it. So thanks for joining us. So the first thing we're going to do to get started is, Tiffany, let's go. Let's tell them what we're going to do, because she's like the boss of how to do stuff. I'm just here for helping hands and a little bit of input. So I'm cutting these tags off.
Well,
these are swords that we got at the Dollar Tree.
You need a drill.
And they're so cool. Oh yes, you're going to need a drill. You can't get these at Dollar Tree, but everybody should have a drill handy. So you're going to need a drill and a small drill bit.
We do it another way, but this is how we prefer to do it. If you don't have a drill.
If you don't have a drill, what? Just tie it with some string. Rope.
Yeah, you could do string.
With rope. You can use rope to tie it together. But we are going to use a drill bit. The tiniest one that we have.
Well, no, because we're going to use these zip ties, so we got to make sure the zip tie. Maybe this.
That one? You don't think that would be? Oh, if it's too big, we can always put some glue in it.
No, we gotta make sure the zip tie can go through.
Okay, there you go. All right, so what we're gonna do first is drill holes where we're gonna connect these swords. So the swords are gonna, you got it? The swords are going to go, they're going to be the bottom ring that holds up our chandelier. So we're going to use zip ties to hold them together, but we're going to use a drill to put the hole, okay? And we got black zip ties.
Yeah,
we got these at Dollar Tree. Okay, so we connected all three of these awesome swords. Can you see it coming together? Hey, this is going to be the coolest of cool. This is the bottom to our chandelier. Now, we're done with this drill. Let me get it out of the way. Now we're going to just use, these are Dollar Tree skulls as well. And Tiff, we have those.
These?
I had an idea maybe you could put the skull on the hands. And these are from Dollar Tree as well. They're like little shot glasses or jello shots or whatever.
They're shot glasses.
Oh, wait. No, these are those candle. Well, what we're using, ain't these
those
shot
glasses on them?
Oh, shot glasses. Okay, because they're plastic. You can't use them for votive candle holders.
But that's...
Which is what we're going to do with the electric ones. This is going to be so cool. I'm telling you. I'm so glad you're watching the video. And aren't you glad that you're watching our video? Because you're learning some cool stuff. Really. So yeah, we bought these little electronic. Oh, my bad.
What?
I knocked over your stuff. These little electric votive tea lights. They just have a switch, and we're gonna put them in here. And oh goodness, it's gonna look so cool. So, what about these? Do you think this might be spooky, creepy, and cool, or putting a hand there? Or maybe we could put the hand there like that and put like some spiders. Like these are spider rings, but you could cut them off. Maybe put like some spiders around to be blingy and pretty. Or we just have all this stuff that we're going to try to incorporate into this most awesome chandelier.
No, I think we could zip tie the hand on here.
Okay.
To keep it secure, and then hot glue this skull onto the hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think the hands are a spooky Halloween-y thing. All right, so we're gonna zip tie these hands onto this as well, like we did the swords. Okay.
So how far you want it? You want the hand out more like this?
Yeah, because then maybe we can Yeah,
like that.
but then wait, how will you glue
This onto the back
it will
of the palm.
fit there? Okay.
Look, like this.
Oh yeah, that's perfect too. Then maybe we could put some spiders or hang some
Like that, you
stuff
know, like
down
this.
or
Like,
yeah, that
onto
looks
there.
nice. Sorry, I'm just so happy with this. I'm so happy how it's turning out. Now, do you want me to make 2 zip ties together, or
This will go with one.
there's that, and I'll get 3 of these black zip ties out of here. You see we zip ties? We put 3 to hold the hand down. And this is going to be super cool. So now next what we're going to do,
No.
what Tiffany's going to do,
I'm not 100% sure if this is going to work.
we're going to hot glue the skull onto the hand. So, shot glasses that I showed you on, we're going to use 2 on each little section, so there's going to be 6 of them. And these were also bought at the Dollar Tree, just so you know. This is a really thrifty way to make some cool Halloween stuff. That's what we like.
Yeah, and if you don't see that one Dollar Tree, check another.
Absolutely, yes. If one Dollar Tree don't have them, another one will. Because we did have to go to 2 different ones for all the products that we got. My brother, he called my phone.
Well, he might need some information or something. All right.
Okay, so that part is done. Look how nice that looks.
It's a little heavy.
It's getting heavy, but we got that covered. See how nice it's coming together? This is going to be super cool. Okay, so we have that all finished. Got all the shot glasses on. We got the skulls on the hand. Isn't it so super cool looking? Now we're going to doozy it up a little bit, and we got these fake black fat flowers that we got at the Dollar Tree. They're Halloweeny, you know, they're pretty spooky, cool looking flowers. What we are going to do is, I think we should drill little holes in here, pull the top off the flower, you know where that little thing is on the bottom, the stem, and we're going to stick them in the holes with hot glue, just to decorate this here with the flowers. Yeah, the handles with the flowers. So while you drill the holes, I'm going to get the flowers ready, okay? And glue dry for a second. Isn't it so cool? It is so cool. So like we did on one of our other videos with the skull eyes, I should go get it and show you. It's going to look really cool the way we're going to do it, if we do it that way. I think we should. With
the big purple?
Well, what we did is we put the white, and then we put the purple, the little
orange.
purple. Look, let me show you.
Or green.
Look, we did purple behind it and
not
white.
blue or red. Yeah, I know.
See how we did his eyes? We made this too, you guys. Haha, so beautiful, right? You can watch the video on one of our other video channels. Look, see how we did the eyes? Oh, it just makes it look so cool, right? Well, that's what we're gonna do to these skulls, to make it look blingy and spooky. Wow, that looks so cool. Okay, so we got the eyes in. You wanna show them? She can get up there closer. Can you see the green? Yeah. Look how cool that looks.
I know, the light's just not hitting it right.
I can see the green.
Yeah, but the skull's like... Alright.
Okay, so the next step we have are these chains that we got, and we got these, they're plastic, from Dollar Tree. This is what we're going to use to hold it up to hang it, okay? We have these. What are you doing with those spiders?
Oh, I was going to put one on the head.
Oh, okay. Now we have these as well.
Yeah, but then we're going to have to cut them off. And then they have the purple gem.
Some have orange.
Yeah, but I was hoping there was green.
No, not green. Not on those. Let's see. Those are yellow eyeballs. We're just putting little things on it.
That's
So
stupid.
what happened?
I unplugged it.
Why would you do that?
Because I thought we were done. Alright, we can put the chains on while that heats up.
Alright. How are we going to connect the chains? Guys, look at that. But it's not done yet.
I think like that.
It is not done yet. We got these little tea lights that we're going to put in those cups. I got them all in. I'm looking for another spot.
Because I put one in right here.
She messed me up. Oh yeah, that makes a nice touch. That makes a really nice touch. Because that's a glittery, blingy spider.
And then there's glitter on these.
Yes. This is so cool. This is so super cool. So you want to put a spider on all the heads?
You don't think that would be too much? I don't know. What you think?
I think this one's sliding. That's up to you, whatever you
I
think.
don't know. What do you think, sis? Spider on all their heads?
Or just one off?
Just different position. Different.
Yeah.
One right in the forehead, right?
Oh yeah, one like some spiders that Tiffany glued. Hot glued them onto the skull. This looks so good. I just love it. We will take a picture of it hanging up at night. At the end, we'll put it in. So, what do you think, T?
I think it's dope.
I think it's really so cool. And I just want to let you know that it can be yours. Right? It can be yours. We are going to have a drawing. So if you are interested in winning this beautiful product, just subscribe to our channel, like the video, and in the comments below, write Skull Chandelier, huh?
Sure.
Skull Chandelier. And then we'll do a drawing. We'll do a live drawing. When should we do the drawing? We have to do it before Halloween.
I mean, I don't know. Next Friday?
How about next Friday? Next Friday we'll do a drawing.
Ooh, I didn't mean. I was turning it down so you can hang it, hold it up.
Oh, okay. Yes. What's that, a bat?
No, it looks like
Oh, a leaf. All right, so next Friday we will do a drawing, a live drawing at 12 noon. If you're interested in having this beautiful masterpiece that we made, this one-of-a-kind masterpiece, just subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other cool videos. Like the video, and in the comments below, put Skull Chandelier, and you will be entered into the live drawing we're going to have. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you like it, and good luck to you. So thank you so much.
How's that, Mom?
Tiffany?
What?
That's beautiful. You know what, girl? This was a great job. Well done.
Yes.
Good job, girl. Awesome job. Thank you so much for watching.